Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Topic of our today's video is scope after BDS. It is a widely searched and widely asked topic. So generally after the completion of 4th year, we are searching for more career options after the BDS. So we will see it one by one.
We have divided career options into clinical and non-clinical. So we will see it one by one. The first is junior resident. Junior resident, also called as JR, it is only for the current BDS students like freshers. Every year there are many vacancies for junior resident in all over India.
We can apply for junior resident in any government college, and the good part of it is
only BDS students can apply for junior resident. Second one is Army Dental Corps. In Army Dental Corps, we can apply for many vacancies, and the good part is there is no written exam for Army Dental Corps.
we can work all over India as a corp, as it is a government job, so it is the best choice. So third one is MDS,
Master of Dental Surgery. It is the best choice if you want to prepare for NEET MDS exam. MDS is 3-year PG course. In this,
government will provide great amount of stipend for every student. Stipend varies from college to college. In North India, stipend can be up to 90,000 to 1 lakh. And the best part of MDS is we can learn about one subject in detail and we can get stipend also. After MDS, we can apply for a job like a professor in a colleges, or we can work as a consultant, full-time consultant in a various dental clinics. So MDS can be the great option. Next is fellowship.
fellowship is short-term course like 6 months or 1 year. If we want to master any specialty about dentistry in a short period of time,
Then definitely go for fellowship.
we can do fellowship in orthodontics, aesthetic means cosmetic, microdentistry, implant or root canal.
Next option is job in private dental clinic.
If you don't want to do MDS or fellowship in any subject, or if you don't want to go in other cities for job, you want to work in your city, so you can apply for a private dental clinic job in nearby areas.
If you are master in any advanced dental treatment, then you can ask for a percentage wise payment like 70-30 or 60-40 depending upon your work skills. Now we will see non-clinical job option. First one is in the pharmaceutical companies. Many people don't know about this job. You can work in a pharmaceutical company as a research analyst. You can get salary up to 30 to 40,000 in a month.
Second option is ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research. You can work as a researcher in ICMR. You can do PhD after the BDS. Every year there are 26 vacancies for the BDS, and the main part is only fresh BDS persons can apply for this job.
Third option is MBA. Yes, you can do MBA after BDS also.
If you really want non-clinical job, then you can go for it. MBA in hospital management, MBA in marketing, MBA in finance. These are the options.
Next option is UPSC. In UPSC there are two options, in a Ministry of Health and in a Indian Railway. You can work as a medical officer through UPSC. So these are the career options. Please like, subscribe for more videos about dentistry. Thank you.